I'm having a problem with my IDI. Let's see, I guess basically what's happening is I'm getting up to speed on the highway, and what happened originally was I made a right-hand turn from one highway to another highway, and while turning at speed, the truck stumbled and made some popping noises, and I was throwing out white smoke for about a minute. So I pulled over, and the truck never died. The smoke went away and it was idling fine, wasn't overheating, nothing seemed out of the ordinary. And so I cautiously drove it home. There was no glitter in my oil when I got home. There was no visible leaks, and the truck still started normally as it would. And this truck does have a couple of, well, it actually has more than a couple. It has four glow plugs that are out. And so what I actually wrote it off as was that one of the glow plugs had broken off in the cylinder and had gotten pushed out. And so that's what I thought it was. And I drove the truck a couple times. I drove this truck a couple times, after that, and the problem never occurred. And so that's what I was kind of set on. That was my hypothesis, was a glow plug had broken off and the piston kind of crunched it up and pushed it out. Well, a week later I was doing a road test to see if I can get the problem to happen again. And I took the exact same pathway as before, and when I made that exact same turn, the exact same problem happened at the exact same time. Throwing out tons of white smoke, motor was stumbling, making some popping noises, never died, didn't overheat. And so I pulled over and it turned it off. It started up back just fine. And so right now I'm kind of leaning towards maybe there's a problem with the solenoids on my DB2 pump. It's the original injection pump in this truck. It hasn't had the timing advanced on it or nothing like that. Not long ago, actually, I was messing with the air cleaner, and this grommet came off back there, and my truck had gotten stuck open. It had gotten stuck in wide open throttle, and so I had to rush. I had to pop the hood and rush out here and see what was going on. I saw that, and so I put it back in place and got that cable pulled back down like it's supposed to be. And that was about 2 months ago. It's been driving fine, but I'm thinking maybe that has caused the solenoids in the pump to hiccup and to have problems, or to be sticking, or whatever. So I'm trying to get some advice on how I can go through this pump and test out the different parameters that it has. It does need, one of the hard lines has a small leak, and so if the truck sits for like 10 or 12 hours, it'll probably lose the prime. I use it almost every day, so I usually don't get to that point. And if it means anything, my up pipe back there has developed a pretty good size exhaust leak. So I don't think that would really be playing a role in this situation, but maybe it is something to consider. Anyway, if you have any advice on what I could check to start going through the pump here, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.